Alright guys, it is Wednesday. We just got done putting the gas tank inside the Cuda. See if I can get a brand new gas tank, brand new fuel pump, which we have to mount yet, and hopefully we'll be in good shape. So we've got the four-link finished on the C10. Let me get a picture of that. Look at that stance. Nice. Next, we're gonna chop the roof, finish all the rest of the stuff, and we're good to go. All right, it's a basic day. We're not going nuts. I still got to go down and get more gas for the welder so I can finish the welds, get them all going. So I may do that right now and be good. All right, guys, like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.